Bonafide Hustler here, and I want to show you a really interesting bag that just sold. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my garage. I'm about to ship this bag off, but I wanted to show you guys this bag because A, it's pretty cool. B, this is probably the third model I've found of this bag. C, it's in the bag guide. And D, let's just show you the bag. So anyways, what is the bag? It's called a Gregory Denali Pro. It's sitting right here. This bag is one of the best internal frame hiking bags you can buy. This bag new is typically right around $500. So what is an internal frame backpack? So essentially it's these big things that you see like this. You turn them over and they have a frame. It seems like you cannot bend them in half, right? So the frame, you cannot see it, but it is internal. And in a bag like this, the struts are typically made of aluminum or carbon fiber. You know, you can put your tent in here, you can put your sleeping bag on there, your sleeping mat, all your gear, your food, your stove, all that stuff, and you can take it into the wilderness with you as you go. So these are very big packs. I think this is about a 115 liter or something like that. It can carry a lot of stuff, basically. We have an awesome hip belt right here that is going to take massive amounts of load off of the shoulders of the bag. And you can also fine-tune the shoulders on any internal frame backpack with these straps right here. So you can get the perfect shoulder load feel that you're looking for with these two straps. And then right here, you cinch it on your waist and it disperses the weight to rest on your hips. Anyways, typically they'll have a back like this. Hey guys, I hope you're learning something. Make sure you hit the like button if you're learning something. But yeah, so they have a back like this. This is typically used to keep the bag kind of off the back and get some airflow going through these channels like here. So even though the bag will be on the back, it allows the pack to at least get some airflow with these channels. Now there are a million straps around this thing to make sure to secure the load that is inside the pack, because sometimes you go out with a lot of stuff and then you come back with less stuff, right? You consume certain things, consume water, you consume food, and so the pack starts to shrink over the course of the hike. And so that's what these little tensioning straps are all for, and they're all over the pack. So that way whatever's in the pack isn't jostling around and it's actually always secure. Now this pack is made of nylon. We have some other type material right here, and then what looks to be like Kevlar almost right here. The best of the best materials basically. The zippers are very large, so there's really zero chance that the zipper will ever kind of blow up on the trail or get, you know, misguided on its own tracks. These are very big zippers. So it's a very reliable type zipper system. Most really good internal frame backpacks will have a detachable hood. Here's the hood right here, and you can see it has two straps that go to the pack. Anyways, that's pretty much detachable if you want to. They always have one or two main cavities that can be accessed through a drawstring. So here's one drawstring out, and then usually inside there's another one, which we have right here. This really seals up the pack nicely. It also expands the pack if you need to put more gear in it, but it seals the pack up nicely to where nothing can get into it, especially water. And then we have a plethora of zippers all over the bag to access various points, so that way you don't have to necessarily go through the drawstrings to access your gear. Typically you can get through some of these other ways, like right here or down here, etc. They've got storage places for water as well. So this is a very serious pack. You're gonna find packs that kind of look like it here and there, but you have to look at the telltale signs of really good stuff. So, you know, the ripstop nylon, the Kevlar material, plus a strong brand like Gregory. I mean, it was very much a no-brainer the first time I bought this bag. Now this is the third time I found this bag. The funny thing is, this time that I found the bag, this is the lowest I've ever paid for it. I think the one that's in my bag guide, I paid $125 or $150 for it, and I flipped it for, oh, I don't even know now, but it's in the bag guide. I think I flipped it for around maybe $300 or something like that. This one I bought for $40 and I flipped it for $250. So this is going out today, and before it goes out, I wanted to make sure to train you guys and teach you guys a little bit something about internal frame backpacks. Of course, if you want to learn more about this kind of stuff and how you can attain flips like this, I want you to check out my bag guide. It is going to be down below in the description, and it's also going to be the first pinned comment below. I'm going to make sure to pin this comment so that way you can see it. And you can make the choice whether you want to start learning about this kind of stuff or not a big deal. But I honestly feel like bags are one of the most overlooked things, not only at garage sales and estate sales and things like that, but more or less thrift stores. And one of the best things I like about bags is they're usually never accurately priced. You know, they're kind of under the radar, and a lot of people just don't know how to price them correctly. And so there's a lot of money to be made in bags, but you're gonna have to get a guide. You're gonna have something kind of holding your hand, walking you through how to get into it, what to look for, telltale signs, all that kind of stuff. And I think the bag guide's a perfect match for that. So go check it out. It'll be down below. Anyways, I'm gonna get this thing shipped off. Wanted to show it to you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take a sec to hit the like button and leave a comment. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.